Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In the last video of our Coastal Karnataka series, we showed you the beautiful moments that we had in Gokarna with its happening beaches and the holy Mahabaleshwar temple. After having morning fun at the Kudle beach, we started towards our last destination of this awesome trip, Karwar. Karwar is around 60 kilometers from Gokarna and it takes around 1 hour and 30 minutes to reach there. We had planned to stay for 2 days in Karwar. So for one day we had booked our stay in Devbag Beach Resort by Jungle Lodges. We reached at their front office at around 12. From there they had arranged for a boat to take us to the resort. This is a 10 to 15 minutes journey. The resort is on a peninsula, so it's covered by water from 3 of its sides. From the point where you get off the boat to the room, it's around 200 meters walk. The rooms are basically cottages facing the water. The place is covered with greenery all over, which is the thing with almost all of the Jungle Lodges properties. After taking some rest, we went for lunch in the Gold Ghar. The lunch there is just ordinary, so do not expect much. After having lunch, we just walked around to explore the property. They had some fun rope activities for kids. They have also kept some benches near the beach for you to relax. When it was less sunny, we came to the beach to enjoy the water. The beach is the private property of the resort, so it is very clean and literally no crowd. But the current of the waves is very high, so one need to be very careful. The beach is full of crabs, very small and the transparent ones. They also arrange for adventure activities like paramotor, banana rides, jet ski, etc., which need to be paid separately for. The cost for paramotor was Rs 3000 per person. After enjoying at the beach, we came back to our room to freshen up and then again went to the beach to enjoy the sunset and the bonfire. This was a very beautiful and soothing moment. Some snacks were also organized along with bonfire and some beautiful candles at the beach. They also lit a candle asking all the kids to come and join them. The kids were very excited while releasing the candle. Dinner was also arranged at the beach. this was the end of our day 1. Next day, we started our morning with a beautiful and refreshing nature walk. Mr. Dilbag took us for the nature walk and bird watching. He knew so much about the plants of the place and even carried the books with him to show us the details of the bird that we get a chance to see there.
ये रिवर को काली नाम क्यों पड़ा बोलेगा? उधर उगम स्थान होते हैं, उत्पन्न होती है ना काली रिवर। उधर से 7 किलोमीटर तक ब्लैक पत्थर और ब्लैक मिट्टी है। ब्लैक भगवान शंकर ये महाशिवरात्रि टाइम और कार्तिक उत्सव के टाइम बहुत इसे कॉटन बांध के तुक डाल के जलाते हैं। जंगल पॉपुलर उसे 7 सिस्टर बोलते हैं क्योंकि 7 ज्यादा ही रहता है, 7 टाइप साउंड करता है इसलिए 7 सिस्टर।
Main attraction of this nature walk was the beautiful birds that we got to see. We saw many kingfishers, bald eagle and black drongo also. After this mesmerizing walk, we had our breakfast and then got ready for another most awaited moment, dolphin watching. The boat took us in the middle of the water. We even crossed the delta point, where the meeting point of the Kali River and the Arabian Sea was easily visible. After a wait of 5 to 10 minutes, we saw our first dolphin in the water, and then many after that. It was so good to see the dolphins enjoying in their natural habitat. On returning to the resort, we went for the bumpy ride activity as this was the only activity possible to do with a 4-year-old kid, and she totally loved it. So this was all about our second day in Devbag Beach Resort, and we took the boat to come back to their back office where our car was parked. We even saw few dolphins while returning back. This truly was one of the most amazing days of our trip. In the next video, we'll tell you about the other places to visit in Karwar and the natural beauty Yana Caves. Keep watching.